You become a feedback loop system of just that one thing. And then the rules or the principles of nature around it, they don't align with what is occurring. And then this specialization within society and the technology it uses becomes weak. And we see this in genetics. When
Mhm.
you overbreed speciality, you inbreed weakness. Okay? We've seen that. You can see it with specific types of dogs and eye colors, and or you see it with human beings with inbreeding of the sort.
We have dysplasia as a society.
So these things are occurring, and the attention, and here, this is a difficult challenge for human beings, is that if you don't always optimize into that single strategy, you're constantly faced with things that are novel. So it's hard to uh, reformat into yourself that the process which you're taking by going about everything in a multidimensional aspect is still giving you the same amount of growth. It's just dispersed evenly rather
Mm.
than hyper focusing, because it's hard for people to catalog, are we actually growing? But it's easy to see it when you've isolated a very specific system, albeit a weak system. And then you can say, look how well we're doing. But in reality, 99% of all the things that allow you to tick and exist have been completely ignored.
Yeah, and, just as an aside, this gets to issues of challenges to replicability in science,
Mhm.
because it's never actually a closed system, and whatever you it's like there are an unspecified number of variables, and that this is the same with financial calculation and revenue models and so on. It's like there's always, externality, and how good are we at ignoring the fact that the externality exists?